Yeah, yeah, it's going well. Yeah. YouTube might take a few seconds for it to be live, so let's just see. Channel. Okay, yeah, it's going well. Nice. Okay then. Okay, let's get into it. Wait, is my camera frozen? No. Okay, so right now I have committed most of the files. Like if you watched my previous stream, the number of files left to be committed was around like 193 or something like that. That was insane. So I have committed most of the files, like all the files in the AST, like none of it is left. And I also moved all the sentences. Sentence is the name that I gave to statements in the language. So basically everything that's related to sentences in the AST has been moved to its own folder. It's much more organized right now. So in the IR, I'm currently like I have almost completed the type system in the IR. So we also have a function type right now, and yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, and yeah, I have also added the sum types, and so that's that. Okay then. So like I wrote a function in Qat app. So it's called like same. So it checks whether two types are the exact same. So it's not just checking compatibility. It's checking whether these are like completely the same thing. So and for some types, same will be true. Like for all types, it will be true if it's like absolutely the same thing. But is compatible is a different function. What it does is that it checks if one type can be converted into another, or it's compatible with another. So for example, if it's a sum type or union type, which means like the value at hand, or the value that we are talking about, only has to be one of the types in all the types in the sum type, right? So in that case, we would check whether it is compatible. So that's basically the idea behind that. So yeah, let me see. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. Yeah, I forgot to add the type checking for code type. So that's what I'm doing right now. Code type is basically the alternative to, not alternative. Co basically is another name for class. It's class type. Yeah, that's basically it. And let me just check Twitch for 1 second. Give me a second. Twitch. Because like the last stream I did, the category was wrong. So we just want to make sure that it isn't. Okay, yeah. Wait, man. Am I really streaming? Okay. Wait. Did this stream just stop? I don't think so. But yeah, in Twitch is weird. Something like that. Because it's showing as if the stream is complete and... Oh, okay, no. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is proper. Okay, yeah. Offline. Yeah, it's showing me as offline. I don't know why that is. Come on, Twitch. You're better than this. And it's showing my stream as a video. Come on. I feel this one. Why Twitch? At least YouTube is fine, right? Yeah. All right. Then. Oh, let me see. I think it might be the bitrate settings. Let me just change that for a second. So if I do, let me just change it all together. 6,000. maybe like 5,900. Yeah, that should be good. 320. Yeah. Wait, did I apply it? I should apply it, right? Oh yeah, it's already applied. Yeah. Let me see. It should lower the quality, not the quality. The bitrate should be lower. Let me just make sure that the quality is sufficient. Yes, it is. It is. Yeah. Now it should be good. Yeah. Let me see. Twitch. I think that's what messed it up or something. So it is showing the duration properly on Twitch, but the video is not being shown. I don't know why. Chen. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Should I just stop the stream and start one? Okay. Something else is weird. Yeah, I think that's done. Yeah. It is. Okay, it is fine. Yeah. All right then. We can just get started. Okay. So for code type, like what I'm confused about is that technically I only have to check the full name of the type, right? Because if the full name is wrong, so or not wrong, if the full name is not matching, it's a different type. But maybe I should check other things too. I most probably don't have to check static fields, right? Because it's technically another way of declaring global variables. But if that is the same, then I don't know. But like both are code types, so there is no way that two code types can have the same. But yeah, let's just add the check anyway. So code type, do we have a way to get the individual fields? Get type of member. Oh, okay, it's the name and not let me see. Members, static members, member function. I don't think we need to check member functions, or maybe we do. Yeah, extension functions are different from member functions, so we do have to check member function. Static function also we have to check. Okay, destructor, but at this point, I mean, basically check everything. Yeah, whatever. Call destructor. Type. As well, get member at get type of member at not okay. I don't think this is going to be useful. Get member at, there should be a function like that, right? Okay, I'll just add that. Yeah, there already is a function like that, but yeah, it returns the name. Get index of unsigned. This should technically be unsigned, but yeah, we'll change that later. Get member count const and okay, unsigned code type, get member count const return members dot size. Sorry about that. Yeah. So that's done. What else? Get member at. So member. This should be renamed to name. There is a problem with the langdev, by the way. So it crashes. Oh, I think it's either langdev or VS Code. So it just crashes, plainly crashes for me. Wait, what? Yeah. Oh wait, it has underscores here, right? Also, we are not using pointers. Oh yeah, we are. So that's great. I don't think I can make this const because then I will have to make that one also const the pointer. Yeah. Number star. Oh wait. Oh, it's a subtype. So code type member star. Code type get member at. Yeah. Return member. Oh wait. I had to receive the index. Unsigned. Yeah, unsigned index. Okay, so for std I equals 0, I less than this is, oh wait, I have to do another check before that, don't I? Yeah, get member count I plus plus. But before this, I have to check whether the number of members are the same. If this get member count, oh wait, count equals okay, that's fine. Wait. Yeah, else return false. Yeah, that's simple. Okay, so I have to iterate through all members. Okay, this val get member at in I type is same, and here we have to pass the member type at the same position. Oh, wait, type. Okay, if this is true, then return true, or else we have to complete the iteration. Else we'll have to keep iterating on the member, right? So if it's not true for one, doesn't mean that it's not true for everything. So yeah, so that's done. Code type, technically I only wait, member can be variable, right? So okay, yeah, I forgot about that one. Okay, there is a variability field, so I also have to check if the variability is the same. Oh, nice. Okay, so then in that case, let me see. This mem equals this get member at, right? Copy paste other val, and this becomes other mem. Okay. This mem other mem. If this mem variability not not equal to, wait, oh, I'm doing something wrong, isn't here? Yeah, I'm doing something wrong. If it's not same, then we have to return false. Otherwise, it have to completely iterate over. Yeah. Yeah. And here we return true, when all the iterations are done. Okay. So if it's not equal to other mem variability, then return. Okay, then I can actually merge these things into one statement. Yeah. What else should I check? Well, I also have to check the name, right? Oh. Well, in that case, so this mem name not equal to other mem name. Yeah. Visibility. Oh, I also have to see. This is what there's no way that two types can have the same name, or if the program is valid. So should I just skip everything else? Oh, I might as well add checks. It's going to be useful. This mem visibility not equal to other mem visibility, but yeah, visibility doesn't have an equality operator. Oh yeah, that's pretty easy to implement, to be honest. Sorry about that. Okay, it is public. Rule operator. Wait. Visibility info. Other. Should it be reference? It can be anything, right? Return other dot kind equals. Oh wait, this dot kind. Like technically we don't need this, but yeah, other dot kind and value other dot value. That's pretty much it, isn't it? Yeah. All like that. So that's done. All right. The mem is already, so everything is being checked for all the members. I'm going to have a very awful time if I am checking all the member functions too. So imagine this. So imagine you have all the member functions. So imagine you have all the members, the static members, the fields in the class, but you don't have all the static fields for that for one of the types. You have two types, like both have the same number of members, the same names, the same types, the same visibility, but for the static fields, one or two are different. So what should I do then? Well, you can't actually say that it's the same type then, right? So, but then why should two types exist that have the same name but have different type members, or static members, or even any other kind of members, member functions, or static member functions? This is really weird. Like even some types are not as difficult as this one. Yeah, I should just return this condition. That's it. Yeah, I shouldn't have created all those functions, but yeah, I guess it's helpful. Those are helpful anyway. So yeah. Wait, what? No. Oh, okay. Return. Okay, yeah, that's it. Its full name should be the exact same as the other one, because imagine you have opaque types, so those won't have the same type members, right? So like one will be opaque, so you won't be able to get the members anyway. So yeah, that makes sense. Well, currently I'm not that experienced when it comes to opaque types. So yeah, we'll see about that. I thought the core type will be a very huge thing to implement this function, but turns out no. Some type. Let me see. What do we really need this? Yeah, this val equals some type. Yeah. Auto other val equals. Okay, let me just check the time. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. So for some type, I haven't actually committed the some type file. Let's see, get subtype count. So that's what we first check for. Now we have to check the name. We have to, yeah, because there can be, but that name cannot technically be the same if the underlying type is different. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, yeah, I didn't actually thought this through. Class cat module. Yeah, and there should be a module here. Parent. Yeah. So that's the parent. So when you get the name, you can either get the individual name or the full name. The full name is what makes every type unique. So that makes sense, yeah. Cache include cat module. Wait, okay, yeah. Okay. Get full name. Const return name. Wait. Parent get full name plus name. Yeah, that's it. All right then. Let me just check on Twitch. Yeah, it's going well. Wait, what? Okay, yeah, it is going well. Yeah. Because for some, I think it was frozen for a second or something. Yeah, it's frozen again. Why is that? Okay, it's occasionally being frozen. Let me just check the camera properties. Okay, the encoding is not that heavy. The color profile is not that heavy either. Yeah. Okay, if this var get full name equals other var get full name, else return false. Get subtype count equals this var, sorry, other var, get subtype count, else return false. Okay, if the subtype count is different, so should I really check for the, I should actually just check for the subtypes, shouldn't I? If I'm resolving the types based on the name itself, for core types it makes sense. For sometimes though, some types, you know, or union types, some types, it sounds wrong, or you know, it's ambiguous. Union types, I'm not entirely sure if I should check for the name, because the name could be different but the type, underlying type could be the same. The subtypes actually have to be in the same order, otherwise it's a different union type. Yeah, I shouldn't actually check for the name. I mean, that's very strong type checking if I do that. In the IR level, there is not much, like in the, at least in the LLVM IR level, at least there is not much difference between named and unnamed types. The order of the types is what matters. So I think I shouldn't actually compare the, well, no, I think it should be strong. So yeah, we'll leave it that. And like in the compatibility function, we can factor in, you know, different names. We can allow different names. So here I'll say for std size t equals 0, less than, less than other, wait, yeah, this doesn't matter. Count I plus plus, and what do we check here? The exact order of the types is important. So if this val get subtype at I is same, then great. But if it's not the same as the other val get subtype at I, so you know, if it's not the same, then return false. And after checking all types, then return true, because you know, it's all of those are in order, the same order. So first you check for the name, then you check for the count, and then check for the order. So I think I have added type checking for all possible kinds of types. Yeah. I think this might be helpful. Yeah. Oh, sorry about that. I just accidentally opened terminal. Tab. Yeah, I think I can just commit all of these. Updated. Wait, added some type. Added some type support to the IR system. Added some checking for some types. in get type is same. Added checking for code types in the same. All right then, so that's done, that's committed. 32 files to commit. This is pretty trivial changes, I think. Yeah, this one not so trivial because I added the source file for that. Yeah, block. Yeah. Okay, so that's done. Function is member function. I think this should be, yeah, this should definitely be added to the function class and not the other one. So virtual is member function const return false. Yeah, and let me see here. So that's done. I mean, we already did that. Now should I just move this to source code? Shouldn't matter anyway. It's a small function, so it might just be inlined at all. Like it most probably will be inlined. But yeah, why not? Function is member function. Yeah. Okay, that should work. Yeah. What else? Member function. Yeah. Here we'll have to change it. Yeah, things. Okay. Bool is member function. Yeah. Okay. Bool member function. Sorry. Is member function. Okay. Const return true. Here we are checking if it's a normal function or a member function and not anything related to static or non-static functions. So yeah, so I don't think we need this field anymore. Get function. Yeah. Okay, I have to update the constructor. Function. Yeah, that should automatically work. Yeah. All right then. So first I should add a function. That shouldn't matter. I can add whichever one I want. Right. It's 5 o'clock. Let me see. How long have I been streaming? 30 minutes only. Nice. But to be honest, I have had more work done in this stream than in any of the previous streams. And the previous streams were much longer than this. When I stream, I usually don't focus so much on coding, which is what I hate. But I guess it's basically a problem because I'm just starting out. It shouldn't be a problem after a few streams. So yeah. Function, member function, global entity.
Oh, I didn't add a global entity. Okay, and function local value and function cat node your starting the value. Okay, block context errors. Yeah, function. Yeah. Alright then. Yeah. Hmm. Sorry about that. Yeah. I'm feeling really sleepy. I don't know why. Like because for some reason I slept for 10 hours last night. I'm really lucky to get that much sleep. Yeah. So let me just commit argument and function. Argument. Sorry about that. Function. Qat IR function. Added IR representation for functions in the language. So by the way, I'm also refactoring the ASD to emit like Qat's own IR instead of LLVM IR, which was how it used to be previously. So that itself is going to take a lot of time. Updated argument to reflect the new IR type system. I think that's it. Yeah. By the way, if you want to join on Discord, like it's linked in my official Twitch profile. So Qat language actually has an official Discord. So yeah, if you want to join, you're welcome. Let me see. I think I can come at block next. Oh yeah, I forgot about this one. I guess I can. Yeah, it's a header only. Wait. Oh yeah, I add the operator in the header. Visibility info. Operator. Wait, visibility info other. Yeah, it should be const operator. Alright then. Because of the multi-monitor setup, I'm constantly like opening windows of random programs. Add equality operator for cat utils visibility info. Wait, then yeah. Now has an equality operator to support verification. Yeah, I don't think I should push that now. Okay, I think we can, yeah, block next. Added Qat IR block. Added IR. So function blocks. Function blocks that also takes care of
managing the scope of local values declare. It is declared, yeah. This modular approach makes it easier to handle IR verification and also makes static analysis easier to implement. Wait, what? Yep. Okay. Let me just check which. Oh, that's why. Like I was wondering why I don't have any viewers, but software and game development is down to 800. So makes sense. Otherwise, I should at least get one viewer. Fall Guys, like I said, is like slowly dropping the number of viewers. So yeah. Yeah, let's get back to this. I'm not entirely sure about this one. Yeah, I don't think I should comment that one. And I think I can confidently leave that one out. I don't think it's being referenced anywhere, but maybe it is. It is. EIR 0. Yeah, it's only referenced in the. Yeah. Should I make the. Yeah, I don't like when it's that large. It's a useless file right now. It's not being used at all. And most of the checks should be done like in the AST phase. When the AST is converted into IR. So maybe I should remove this one, I guess. The error system also needs a few changes. For IDE integration, I'm like right now, if an error occurs, it just stops the execution of the program, which made sense, during development, but in the future, it will be changed to, it checks whether it should post the error to a endpoint, like, for a language server or something like that. And then if it has to, then it posts an error. So that server can then communicate with the IDE integration and say that these files have errors, and you have to fix that. Yeah. So yeah, local entity. I think I can wait on that. Okay. Celebrity. Parent. Yeah. Makes sense. I think I might stop the stream now because I feel too tired. Like, I don't know why. Like, I had neck pain, so I think that's why I slept for long, like yesterday, because I had like very severe neck pain. So yeah, I think that's why I'm feeling tired. So I think that's it. I will work on, definitely I will continue working on it, but I don't think I can stream for long. Yeah, I don't want to keep the poster for long. So yeah, bye, thanks for watching, and